Hey everyone, welcome back to another Bitcoin chart planning update video. What we have here today is a little bit of a drawdown from our last update. So our last update, we were still working our way up towards this little previous support, which is now acting as a resistance. We hit it pretty much perfectly, and now we are moving out back down, broke this previous support area, and we are moving back into this purple fib extension area that we are using as a potential bottom of this little fourth wave, and or not little, this quite extensive fourth wave that we've been looking at for months now. And as we continue to see some consolidation here, I do believe that we might see a little bit of a quick, very brief one more wick down, which will move this fourth wave a little bit down as well. Now, it's nothing that I'm too concerned about. It's nothing I feel like anyone should be too concerned about, just because on the bigger picture, we do have a very, very, very clear corrective three-wave structure that's quite extensive. And although this quick one more low was kind of shallow and it barely broke into this purple area, that still gives me the belief that we are potentially going to see just a little bit more super brief. It can last like no more than a day or two, but one more low into this purple fib area, so we have a more a deep uh, you know reach down, and then that's when we can start pushing up into uh, our short-term bull case of around $76,000 before we eventually keep moving up to much higher prices throughout the rest of the bull cycle. But it's quite simple. There's not really too much to look at right now. It's again, it's the fact that we were rejected up here on this little resistance area that we were looking at to see if we can break this. We can finally move up into the retracement area up here in light blue, but we were obviously rejected by it quite clearly, and now we're moving down lower. In this case, ideally, just to keep a more short-term, and I'm not going to keep this on here forever, but we might be narrowing down this, downtrend as it just evaporates out of existence or just, disappears, which I anticipate will happen very, very, very soon, because by the end of July, I do believe we'll be above this light blue retracement area. I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to be repeating myself if I keep going. Just like last video, we're waiting for prices to break above the what used to be supports on our and now is acting as resistance, and to hold into the retracement area. If we can hold and not show, if we can hold over 62,000 for enough time, we can, start, making a new bullish structure that can potentially move us back into all-time high territory. So until then, we're still looking at these low resistance areas and a potential one more low into the purple area down here, which again, it can happen very, very, very quickly. It can happen while a lot of people are sleeping as well, but it's nothing, again, nothing to be too concerned about. I still am categorizing current prices as a massive Bitcoin buy opportunity. You know, for you swing traders that are looking at 100K coming up soon, this is an amazing opportunity because we clearly see the fourth wave did bottom, or pretty much it's going to bottom like any moment, and it can happen very, very quickly. So again, I'm not too concerned about it because what happens next is a quick, or I wouldn't say too quick, but I would see as the rest of July plays out a trend up into previous all-time high areas up here. So that's what we're looking at, and then just a little bit more context. We have been, let me show you guys here on the 1-day chart. Bitcoin has, what did I just do? Bitcoin has been trending upwards since December or November of 2022, leading into December. We have seen and I like to structure my waves or my trades in bullish and bearish wave counts, consisting of usually 5 wave counts to the upside, and then usually 3 wave corrective moves is what I try to focus on. But clearly we have gone up to a first, second, third wave. We are going to confirm a fourth, let me show you guys, a fourth wave here anytime soon, like real soon. We're going to confirm a fourth wave bottom, and then eventually 5 waves up into our very conservative bull market top case for Bitcoin of around $120,000. Again, I strongly believe it's going to be a lot higher than that, but that's just my conservative estimate as of right now, just to have something there to look at. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have here for you guys with Bitcoin. Again, we're just waiting for price action to, if I can get back on this here, we're just waiting for price action to, confirm in a little bit, one more low, kind of stretching the shallow dip a little bit longer. And then finally, we can start also looking at breaking over these little resistance areas, and then, back into the retracement areas are here, which can lead us back into all-time highs, which is $10,000+ from here as well. So again, guys, that's all I got for you guys on Bitcoin. Hope you guys have a great day and take care.